Caravan Radio Product Review.
Hey up, it's Rich from Only Vans looking at what's new for 2025. If you're considering a camper van, Coachman has completely redesigned its Acadia range for 2025, blending a modern and contemporary interior with its renowned build quality. With new layouts and enhanced specifications across its models, Coachman ensures every owner can relax in comfort and style. If caravan is more your thing, Bailey of Bristol unveils its new Unicorn Deluxe range, seamlessly blending luxury with practicality, with plush interiors to full-spec amenities. There are 6 Unicorn Deluxe caravan models to choose from, all kitted out with Alder radiator central heating systems, new 130-watt solar panels, Sonos portable speakers and premium fixtures and fittings. And for your accessories, Dometic showcase innovative products for vehicles, including new inflatable awnings, mobile power solutions and energy-efficient rooftop air conditioners. Visitors will be able to explore Dometic's groundbreaking Dometic static and driveway awnings, as well as its new innovative designs and the latest in inflatable awnings.
Caravan Radio Product Review.